Trisha here from Passive Income today, and this is a really quick tutorial to show you how to use Descript AI to edit videos in just a few minutes. It's really easy to do. The very first thing you need is go over to Google Chrome and search for Descript, the software. They have different types. This is the one you need to go for with the blue icon. They have different types of plans and pricing. If you are not sure whether you want to pay for it, you can try a free plan, which is here, and you can make your first video. It's really, really easy. This software is made for anyone who has no tech skills. Literally, if you can cut and paste text out of a Word document, that's the concept of Descript editing. I currently have the Creator, which seems to provide me with more than enough transcription time in order to produce a whole range of videos on my YouTube channel. The pricing plan is based on transcription hours, and what that means is when you upload a video to Descript, it will transcribe the audio to text, and the text is what you'll be using to edit the video. So if you upload a video for 1 hour and you have the $12 plan, you will have 9 hours left in the month to use. Now, if you decide to start with Creator and then you realize you would like to upgrade to Pro, then you can do that. It's really easy. You just continue to use all the content and the transcription hours you have, and then when you get near to your limit, then they will ask you at Descript automatically if you would like to upgrade. So easy peasy. So once you've signed up, Descript will save to your desktop computer or your laptop as an app. And then when you want to get started, all you need to do is type in the search here, Descript. Let me just close this old one that I did. Descript, and it'll show you, and then you'll click open. Now, this is a video that I uploaded a few minutes ago, and I wanted to make it a little bit easier, but let's just say you were started from complete scratch. You would click on this button, and then you would upload a video, and it would land into this little workstation area. The next thing is just to wait a few minutes. The Descript AI tool will go through your video and transcribe the entire audio file to text. And when it's finished, it will show you like this. And this is the text. Now, this is how the editing works. It is so easy. As you read through here, you may decide that this section that you don't want. So you simply highlight and delete. And then you might not like these words, so you delete. You might say this is too much space. Oops, let's stop this. So you can continue just to delete sections if you want to delete it. When you've finished having a look, you can press play at the bottom and you can start from the bottom and listen to it. The other thing that you can do is, as you delete a word, you can press play anywhere in the paragraph, anywhere here or there, just by clicking the buttons. And you'll be able to hear the flow. And what you're listening for is, if you are someone in the audience, does the content make sense, and is it really clear and easy to follow? And as you go through, some people get really particular and fussy on the ums and the ahs, and they want to remove that. It's not necessary, but it's totally up to you. Don't worry about the spelling, the grammar, or the sentence structure. That's not important in this editing. This is purely behind the scenes for you to see what words you have, and so you can slice and cut out sections that are not relevant to you. There are a few more features available on Descript, and there's a ton of great tutorials on YouTube that you can watch. This is a basic tutorial to show you how to edit the videos and how to get them completed without having to use a more complicated software. When you have finished, all you need to do is press publish, and then once you press publish, update, you'll export it as a video, and then you're done. Okay, so it's very, very easy. You'll have plenty of fun. Give it a go. If for any reason you delete too much and you found you made a mistake, you can simply delete the file and re-upload. Back in my Descript account, back to all my projects, you can see there's tons and tons of projects here that I have edited over time. And these projects I can go back in and re-edit, or I can re-download if I've accidentally deleted something somewhere else. Okay, that's all for now, and I hope you find this helpful. Leave us a comment where you're from, and if this has helped you, if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them.